Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be part of our Day Trading 101 video series. In this video, I'm going to go over with you what a flat top breakout looks like and the potential of a flat top breakout as we're currently seeing it now in the market. So let me go here and share the screen. So right here, we're looking at ticker symbol ASO. This is Academy Sports and Outdoors. It's a recent IPO back in, I guess it was their late September, early October. So they're coming out with their earnings. I think it's this week. And what is setting up on the daily chart is a picture perfect flat top breakout setup. So if you guys are interested in learning more about technical analysis, which is what I do to take every single one of my trades, except for the momentum stocks. Some of those you jump in quickly without really doing the technical analysis, but that's just for a quick scalp. Trading styles, using what I do here with technical analysis. This is the kind of stuff that you're going to want to learn. It's great for swing trading and for understanding different patterns in the market by pretty simple stuff once you get used to it. All this is this is the daily chart. On the daily chart, I do a 1 day, 3 year. Obviously, this hasn't been around for 3 years, but each one of these candles represents 1 day's worth of trading. Okay. So you can see all the way back here in December is where I drew my trend line. So basically the way that you draw trend lines, you try to get it to the bottom of the move and you draw it through here to the where you currently are, okay? Basically where you are at the moment. Now, what is this doing? It hits here, it hits here, and right here 3 times. That's the golden rule for trend lines. If it hits something 3 times, odds are, especially on a chart like this trend is very relevant and it's going to most likely hold up. If it doesn't and somehow breaks, you're going to notice a dramatic amount of volume and a breakdown. But what we're looking at here and what I'm looking at for this week coming up is I'm anticipating a potential breakout for this very simple reason. Okay, right here, we had a huge day, banged right up against 2670. We hit it again here, came close here and here. When something hits a ceiling like this, it even works in the other way for support. This is acting as resistance. When something hits this many times, and it's a good, solid company that is going to have good, solid earnings with a very clear upward trend, ascending trend, this is what it looks like before you get a flat top breakout. Because what you have here is the trend line in here, and you have the flat top here. So you might see some consolidation here, and then a lot of volume come in and a burst right through that ceiling for the breakout. Hence the term flat top breakout. It really is as simple as that. So this is what it would look like. This is what a flat top breakout looks like. Now, this is on the daily. You can also use this intraday. You could use it on your 1 minute, your 5 minute. There's plenty of times where formations form like this, especially on momentum stocks. They'll consolidate after a big run up and then burst right through that resistance level. And the reason why they bust through the resistance level with such vigor is because there's a lot of people that are covering, okay? They're shorting at these certain levels. And once you get that break through that level, you're now going to different higher levels now. That level is no longer support. It will now be no longer resistance. It will now turn into support. And right here, you can see a perfect example of something turning into support after resistance. So look at this. This is perfect. It hits here. It hits here. It hits here. We break through, right? Get a nice run. And then it comes back down. And what does it bounce off of? What was resistance is now support. And that's the way these stocks that are trending up, this is the way that the stocks work. Okay. So this is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting this to eventually break through this resistance level. You know, it's got to be solid, good companies though. This is a really, you know, this is a good company. So I'm expecting good earnings. It's also what I noticed very heavily shorted. So this can really take off if it gets through this level. We'll all just have to, we'll have to keep an eye on it. You know, obviously I'm not telling anybody to go out and buy this. Do your own due diligence. We're not always right about every single thing we say. But this is setting up very nicely for a breakout. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, I will ask you kindly hit that like button for me. It helps the channel continue to grow. You guys are awesome. If you're new, subscribe. We have new videos every day, breaking down stocks using technical analysis to take day trades and swing trades and make money in the stock market. So anyway, I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.